Hey, what's up everyone? Do you know that you can enable, disable, increase, decrease, or adjust your keyboard backlight or brightness on your MacBook Air M2? Well then stay with us because in this video we're going to show you how to do that. Now for that, first on your MacBook home screen, go and open Control Center. Now some of you should have the shortcut here, but if you do not find your keyboard brightness option, don't worry. Go to System Settings or System Preference. Now here, straight search for keyboard brightness. Just click on Show Keyboard Brightness Status in the menu bar. Now from this list, either toggle on Show in menu bar or Show in Control Center. Now, for this video, we're going for Control Center. I think it's easier to find. After that, go back to your home screen. Open Control Center. Now at the bottom of this Control Center, here is your keyboard brightness option. Click on it. From here, swipe the slider button to right to increase and left to decrease the keyboard backlight. Now after that, go ahead open keyboard settings. Now as you can see, along with a lot of other keyboard customization options, you can turn up or down the keyboard backlight or brightness from here as well. See? Right there. Now, also, you can turn keyboard backlight off after inactivity option and set a timer just to save your Mac power. Or just select never if you don't like it. Now here, if you want, you can enable adjusting keyboard brightness in low light. Let's check if it works or not. Hey, it does work. So that's it. That's how you can turn on, off, or adjust the keyboard backlight from your MacBook Air M2. Hope you found this video helpful. Take care and thank you for watching.